Buongiorno, everybody. This is Morten from Inkish. I have the pleasure of talking to Marco, who is working on the, let's say, on the IT side of the machines. I think that often people forget that when you look at machines like these, they are also complex computers. They have a user interface that needs to be easy to use, but also very easy to get the information you need in order to get the job done. So, Marco?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I mean, all these machines that you produce,
Yeah.
do all of them have like a computer inside or?
Yes, yes. Each one of our machine is equipped by industrial PC that have at his inside the PLC part and the HMI part. Okay, if you want to speak this.
So your work is basically to make sure that when you talk to the engineers of the machine,
Yeah.
then if you have an engine that needs to go narrowing the paper path, or if you have to turn something inside the machine, you have to program that, of course, right?
Of course. Inside this industrial PC, there is all the intelligence of the machine, okay? But the machine at the beginning, as all we know, is a white paper, okay? So we start with the idea, with the develop, mechanical develop, electrical develop, but at the same time, not after, but at the same time, there is the software develop, because we have to think the machine not only step by step, but always in the complete machine. Okay. So our colleagues works with us, with electrical colleagues, mechanical colleagues, to make a product not mechanically based and then electrical equipped, or electrically based and software equipped, but mechanically, electrically, and software based.
And of course, the software is most important, right?
In my opinion, yes,
Yes, of course. Yeah. So how difficult is it to program these machines and make sure that you have a good interface?
It's difficult, but it's a challenge, and every challenge is nice to do. Yeah. Okay, more the challenge is difficult, more the result is nice to arrive to the final result. Okay, obviously, sometimes there are some very big difficulty that you don't think before can happen, but a lot of time using two simulation softwares, we can study all before, and when we are ready to program the machine, we already know what we'll do, what machine present to us to do. So we are prepared. Yeah. We are prepared.
Yeah. I spoke earlier today to Stefano about the new Lyra, right?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, and he said to me that the project started around 4 years ago.
Yeah.
So how early, how late do the computers and the technical guys get involved in the programming of it? Is that from the beginning, or is it a little bit later?
Exactly from the beginning.
Okay.
I'll explain to you. Lyra started some years ago as a project where there was, first of all, an idea of a new machine that do something that the other machine don't do. But usually this is the idea of all suppliers. But this machine is particular because starting from the beginning, all the ideas was shared between all departments, from mechanical, from electrical, and from software. So the team from the starting was composed by mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, and software engineer, starting from the beginning, because something idea can arrive from a software developer, can arrive from a mechanical engineer or from a software engineer. Using all this idea, we can arrive to that result, but starting from the beginning. The develop of this machine is the first totally simulated develop machine.
So it lived
Yes,
electronically
because
first,
this
basically.
exactly this
Yeah.
machine was developed, okay, by mechanical, electrical, and software guys in our office, completely, but not only developed, tested too. We used a physics simulator, okay, where we can load our mechanical model, okay, our hardware, electrical hardware, and our software too, exactly our software. And it's nice because after some months of difficulty, because when you use these simulators, it's near to the real life, but not exactly.
Yeah.
So you have to simulate something and imagine something too.
Yeah.
Okay. But at the end of our development, machine was produced, and the first day when we switch on the machine and download the software inside, machine works at the end of the day.
That was nice, right?
Very,
that was
nice.
a good day, right?
I'm excited to explain this thing to you.
Yeah, that's great.
Because it was not a surprise, but
But it's always
in-
like
in
a
my
good thing you
opinion,
have worked on it for a long
Can-
time and then you see it works,
exactly.
right? Yeah, yeah.
Immediately.
Yeah.
Works immediately.
Yeah. Marco,
Turn off in the morning, work in the night.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Marco, I was thinking that one of the things that Stefano also talked about is that because it's difficult to get labor, you need to make
To
them
get, sorry?
labor workers, right?
Okay.
He said that machines needs to be easier and easier to use.
Yeah, exactly.
But that makes more and more work for you, right?
Exactly. Our challenge, Meccanotecnica challenge, not only our, okay, is produce these machines that are smart and easy to use, user-friendly. Because, as all we know, the book industry is changing in the last years. Our customer want machine that do lot of choice of work of jobs, all different, short run, zero time setup, and not so much operator skills. Okay, it's possible. Obviously, if you reduce something in a part, there is a lot of work more in the other part. The other part is, for example, my job, software develop, because you can do all, okay, near all. But the most difficult thing is think all the condition that can be in the machine. Machine is a thing, is a mechanical thing with motor, with electrical part, with all, okay? But is used by human, okay? Works with paper. We can develop something that can work with physical thing, okay, as iron, as motor, as mechanical parts, and natural things, as paper, as people, okay? And to make something that works correctly with all these things together is very, very difficult. It's very difficult, and sometimes we found something that we don't have think before, and then we start from this to remake our thing and do it better again. And the next time, start from a better condition again. It's a
Incremental.
all day upgrade level.
Last question.
Yeah.
You must really hate these red lamps that are blinking, right?
Yeah.
Because I mean, that means something is wrong, right?
Red lamp or all the lamp?
I was most thinking that, you know, it could be hardware, it could be
I
software,
like
right?
a red lamp because I think when I see a red lamp, I think to the Christmas time.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's take it from there. Great
Thank
talking
you.
to you, Marco.
See you.
Okay.
Thank you.